Hello and welcome to Elisa Bella Design. I'm on here and give you a quick update on what the channel is going to look like in 2024. Before I was doing those miniature ornaments and some mask making for parties, Halloween, and there really wasn't much room for growth in that channel the way it was going. All the videos were turning out to be pretty much the same, and I didn't really have a new direction for the channel to go until I fell in love with this new art form called diamond painting. I think it's one of the most beautiful things you can do for a picture. You can do your own pictures, have a company print them. You can just buy the kits that are pre-made, and it's very relaxing and enjoyable, and just kind of helps to get you away from the craziness that this life is. And I hope that you will like the direction that the channel is going. It's one of my favorite things to do art-wise these days, and in case you've never heard of it, it's photo that's printed on canvas, and then there's sticky film that's on top of the photo itself, and it's turned into a paint by number pattern. And so you'll have a lot of different colors so that you can do this paint by number pattern with these stones to make just a beautiful sparkly picture. And it's just one of the most beautiful newer art forms that there are, and so there's not a whole lot online about them. I'm not saying that I would never do one of the videos that I used to do, making the miniature ornaments or the wearable masks, but it's not really something that I will be doing on a regular basis. But if it's something that you would like to see, definitely let me know, and I will throw those in, now and then. I might do a series where I do those or something. So if that is something that you would like to see, definitely let me know, and I will throw some of those in there as well. So I just wanted to share what they are, and maybe do some live streams, in the future, and just see how many people enjoy that type of thing when I do maybe some live diamond painting parties where we all do diamond painting together and just discuss it and just enjoy like kind of a hangout session while we diamond paint. I just think it'll be fun. I think it'll be enjoyable. If you agree, then please do subscribe. I thank you for watching this update. I hope you like where the channel is headed, and if you do, then do subscribe, comment, let me know what you would like to see, and until next time, ciao for now.